Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's video, we will be going over how to create a basic discount in Shopify. First, we want to log into our Shopify account. Then we will go to discounts. From here, we will click add discount, or on the upper right hand corner, you can click add discount. Here we will do an amount of products, which will give us a product discount. To use a regular discount code, we can generate a random code and edit it, or we can create our own code here. From here, we'll have our percentage that we want off, and if it applies to specific collections or products. You can also set it as a one-time purchase, a subscription, or both. And you can add the collections that you want this discount to apply to. Next, we have our minimum purchase requirements. You can add no minimum requirements, added by purchase amount or quantity of items. Next is eligibility. If this coupon is for a specific set of customers, you can put that in here as a customer segment, or for a specific customers, you could put it here. For all customers, we'll put that set. Then you can set limits for the number of times this discount is used, or if it's limited to one use per customer. Then you can combine this product discount with other product discounts, order discounts, and shipping discounts. Then you'll want to have your start date and your start time. And if you would like this coupon to end at a certain date, you can have the date and time put here by clicking set end date. Then to our right, you'll see the information for this coupon. You'll see the code, the type, and the details. You can also allow the discount to be featured on select channels, and it will actually have your list of sales channels that this has access to. For us, it is the point of sale. Then we will click save, and that will create our basic discount in Shopify.